All right, guys, we're going to play the explanation game. And the explanation game is really designed to help us look deeper into a topic, deeper into content, and gain a better understanding of it versus just memorizing it. Okay? We said what the what key routines are, those 5 or 6 behaviors. If we left it at that and moved on to other stuff, later on, how much will you remember about key routines, right? So the explanation game is a thinking routine that we're going to use that hopefully, if it works, will help you gain a better understanding and remember better what key routines are. The end goal, okay? Our end goal. And I'll just read it to you because I want everybody to hear exactly the same words. Understand and be able to explain the definition of key routines and how they may be applied to students' educational, professional, and personal lives. And the way the game works, here's our little rules. We're going to work in triads. We've got 13 people, so it'll be 1 group of 4, 3 groups of 3, okay? And I want you to focus on the parts, not the whole. I'm going to put a series of images up here, okay? With that, you ready for the first one? Here we go. What you're going to do is, I'm going to put an image up, and then I'm going to give you 5 minutes, maybe a little more, see how you're doing, but 5 minutes, to write down, have one person in each of your groups, just one person, be the scribe, and then you guys just generate ideas and say them to each other, and that person writes them all down, okay? And here we go. And you have 5 minutes, help each other, go.
I think it's more about what she's saying.
Skin color.
Any feature, guys, any feature. There's a ton of them.
Muscles.
Get one person from each group and go up to the board, and here's how we'll do it. We'll call you guys group 1, okay? Laura, you're group 2, okay? You guys are group 3. Ian, your bunch is 4, okay? Group 4. Go up to the board and list all of the features that you guys identified on the left side of your columns up there, okay? So go ahead. Okay, we got group 1 is about finished, group 2 is finished, group 3 and 4, okay? How many more you got, DJ?
Just 1.
Okay. Now, what I want to do next, let's look at each board one at a time, and you guys tell me, is it a feature or is it more of an interpretation or opinion? Guys, can you see that if somebody's key routines, those 5 or 6 behaviors that move us from chaos to mastery, were bad behaviors, it might cause us trouble, right? It might cause us not to experience the kind of success that we want to have. On the other hand, if our 5 or 6 behaviors that move us from chaos to mastery, our key routines, are positive behaviors, glass is half full, moving us where we want to go, then we stand a better chance of getting there. Does that make sense? All right, so one more time, since this is being videotaped, tell the viewers the definition altogether now of key routines. They are
5 to 6 behaviors that lead us from chaos to mastery. Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Give yourselves a hand.